Welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can add PayPal in your Fiverr account. So you'll be using your PayPal when you're purchasing services or gigs. So just go ahead and tap on any gig that you want to purchase. Now after you tap on the gig, you'll see the option that says continue. Once you tap on continue, you'll see more order options on which you want to purchase, additional revision, vocal tuning. You can just order all of them if you want. You can also increase or decrease the quantity. Guys, just tap on continue, wait for the page to load, and now there are payment options like credit and debit cards, and finally PayPal. Just tap on PayPal and now you'll be able to use your PayPal to send money. Just log in with your PayPal account. And guys, that's how you use PayPal or add PayPal in your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.